Hi everyone, today I will be reading you a story called Kitten's First Full Moon by Kevin Hankes. The question says, what can you see in the sky? And this is a fiction story, it's make-believe. And here we go. It was Kitten's first full moon. When she saw it, she thought, "There's a little bowl of milk in the sky." And she wanted it. So she closed her eyes and stretched her neck and opened her mouth and licked. But Kitten only ended up with a bug on her tongue. Poor Kitten. She looks kind of sad. Still, there was a little bowl of milk just waiting. So she pulled herself together and wiggled her bottom and sprang from the top step of the porch. But Kitten only tumbled, bumping her nose and banging her ear and pinching her tail. Poor Kitten! Still, there was the little bowl of milk just waiting. So she chased it down the sidewalk, through the garden, past the field, and by the pond. But Kitten never seemed to get closer. Poor Kitten! Still, there was the little bowl of milk, just waiting. So she ran to the tallest tree she could find, and she climbed and climbed and climbed to the very top. But Kitten still couldn't reach the bowl of milk, and now she was scared. Poor Kitten! What could she do? Then in the pond, Kitten saw another bowl of milk, and it was bigger. What a night! Do you see the moon reflecting into the water? Do you think she'll jump? Let's find out. So she raced down the tree and raced through the grass and raced to the edge of the pond, and she leapt with all her might. Poor Kitten! She was wet and sad and tired and hungry. One second, it's thinking as it turns. Oops. So she went back home. I'm going to give you a few seconds to look at these cute pictures. So she's going back through the path and the garden, sidewalk. And there was a great big bowl of milk on the porch, just waiting for her. Isn't that lucky Kitten? Isn't that a sweet story? It really is. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.